Happy Halloween, illustrators. Welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today, I am going to teach you how to do one of my favorite things in illustration. We are going to take an inanimate object or something that does not move and create a cartoon character out of it. We are going to create a candy corn character. Here's a quick preview of what the drawing will look like when it's done. All right, illustrators, let's get started. Okay, illustrators, we are going to draw our candy corn character. I'm so excited. First thing we are going to do is draw a triangle shape that's a little bit tilted. And we'll connect that with a slightly curved line there at the bottom. All right, we're going to add the face onto our candy corn character first. So the first thing we'll do is add the first eye. One oval. And two ovals. Two pupils. Now this candy corn character is going to be scared. He's going to be afraid of two spiders that we'll add on here. So we're going to draw a scared expression. All right, so we will actually start out with a smile here. And then we're going to transform that by building onto this shape. We'll come down on this side and down on this side. This side will dip a little bit further. It is kind of like a skewed peanut shape. Add a tongue, and we'll add two teeth, like this. Okay, and then we can color this in. This is one of my favorite kind of expressions to draw. Love it. Okay. Now we will add two lines that will indicate the different colors on our candy corn. And we waited to do this so that we wouldn't mess up where the eyes and the mouth were. Two eyebrows that are way up above because we are, again, showing a surprised, afraid, scared type of expression. All right, now we get to add the arms and legs to show the body language of a character that's being scared or frightened. So one arm will be up, and we're going to do four little fingers. The other arm will basically make a zigzag shape here. The first leg is also going to be a zigzag, the little foot, and the second leg will be straighter with a foot up as well. So it looks like this character is jumping up in fright. Okay, now we're going to draw the spiders. And what will be hilarious is if we can make the spiders look adorable, so there's clearly no reason for this character to be scared. So to do some cute spiders, we want to come down a little bit further because, again, this character is jumping up off the ground. So we want to put the spiders somewhere down over here because our character is also looking downward. All right, so we'll just start off by drawing a square. One pretty big oval, and then one slightly smaller. with 2 pupils, 1 and 2. 2 eyebrows up top. And we want our spider to be going like, I don't know. So to do that, do 2 little arms, shrug and shoulders. And spiders have 8 legs, right? So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So clearly there's no reason to be afraid of this spider. It's super cute. And we'll add a shadow here underneath of our candy corn character, just to reiterate the fact that he has been frightened and is jumping up off the ground. And then you can add some indication lines that this is the floor, the ground here. All right, so there we've got our 2 characters. Now we get to add some color. You may use crayons, colored pencils, markers, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. The last step we have to do is sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. All right, illustrators, there is our candy corn character being very, very surprised by this cute little spider. I am so proud of everyone today. Great job. If you enjoyed yourself, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for so many more illustration fun coming your way. I'll see you next time.